Stop for a moment and ask yourself this. If today was the final page of your life, would you feel proud of the story you wrote or regret the chapters you wasted? Every single second is a choice. You can waste it or you can use it to build the life you want. Don't waste your life. Don't spend your days scrolling endlessly, comparing yourself to others, or waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time does not exist. The only time you have is now. And here's the secret. While you rise, you can also learn. You can learn English through motivation, not from boring textbooks, but through powerful words, listening, and daily practice. This is more than language. This is about life. Stay with me, and let's begin this journey together. Most people think they have unlimited time. They say, I'll start tomorrow, I'll change tomorrow, I'll study tomorrow. But tomorrow is a dangerous word. Tomorrow is where dreams go to die. The truth? You only have today. You only have this moment. If you don't act now, life passes you by. Don't waste your life waiting for permission. Don't waste your life waiting for motivation. Action creates motivation. And action can be simple. Right now, you are practicing. You are listening. You are using listening practice to grow both your English and your mindset. This is not complicated. It's small steps repeated daily, like a graded reader that slowly builds your level higher and higher. That's how growth works. Think of your life as a book. Each day is a page. Each year is a chapter. One day, the book will close. And when that happens, what story will it tell? Will it say you spent your life distracted, afraid, and waiting? Or will it say you lived with courage, with discipline, with purpose? The good news is that the pen is in your hand. You can write a new page today. You can decide to rise. You can decide to learn. Even learning English works this way. At first, your words are simple. Your sentences are small. But page by page, step by step, through listening practice, you grow. Like a graded reader, the stories become richer, the ideas become deeper, and suddenly, you look back and realize how far you've come. Don't waste your life writing excuses. Write action. Write growth. Write a story worth telling. Let's be honest. Most people waste their lives. They spend hours scrolling social media, chasing empty entertainment, or waiting for luck to find them. But life is not a lottery ticket. Life is a garden. If you don't plant seeds, you cannot harvest fruit. Every time you open your phone, you make a choice. Are you feeding your mind or starving it? Are you building your skills or wasting your hours? The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is simple. Successful people use their time wisely. They don't waste their life on things that don't matter. They focus on growth, on discipline, on learning. And you can do the same. You can use this exact moment to learn English through motivation, to fuel your brain with powerful ideas, to grow stronger every day. Don't let another hour slip away. Maybe you've tried before. Maybe you tried to learn English and failed. Maybe you tried to change your habits and gave up. Maybe you dreamed of something bigger but fell short. Listen to me. Failure is not the enemy. Failure is the teacher. Failure is proof that you tried. Failure is a step, not a wall. Think about a baby learning to walk. They fall 100 times. But do they quit? No, they stand again, they fall again, and eventually they walk. Then they run. That's how listening practice works. That's how life works. Every mistake is part of your training. Every wrong word is a chance to improve. Like a graded reader, You don't start with the hardest level. You start where you are, and you move forward, little by little. Don't waste your life fearing failure. Waste only comes when you stop trying. Close your eyes for a second. Picture yourself 5 years from now. Who do you want to be? Do you see yourself speaking English clearly, confidently, and fluently? Do you see yourself living with purpose, with discipline, with freedom? Now open your eyes. That future will not build itself. You must build it today. With every word you listen to, with every phrase you repeat, with every decision you make to grow instead of give up. Learn English through motivation and let it push you forward. Use listening practice daily like exercise for your brain. Train consistently and your future self will thank you. Don't waste your life dreaming without action. Build the dream. Live the dream. Speak the dream. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. You don't need to change everything at once. You just need to change one thing today and repeat it tomorrow and the next day until it becomes a habit. Want better English? Practice listening every day. Want more confidence? Speak one new sentence today. Want more purpose? Remove one distraction from your life. Small steps matter. Like a graded reader, you don't jump to the final level, you rise slowly. But when you look back after weeks, months, years, you will see massive change. Don't waste your life thinking growth is impossible. Don't waste your life waiting for the big leap. Growth is not a leap. Growth is a climb, and you are capable of climbing higher than you think. There will be days when you feel weak, days when you feel tired, days when you want to quit. That's normal. But here is the truth. Your feelings are not your boss. Your discipline is your boss. If you only work when you feel motivated, you will never succeed. But if you work with discipline, even on hard days, you will rise. Don't waste your life being controlled by emotions. Control your emotions with action. When you feel tired, listen anyway. When you feel lazy, practice anyway. When you feel small, remind yourself, every giant once started small. This is not just about English. This is about life. Every time you choose discipline, you win. Every time you practice listening, you grow. Every time you push forward, you prove that you are stronger than you thought. One day, your life will end. Nobody escapes that truth. But what you leave behind will remain. Will you leave behind excuses, or will you leave behind a story of courage, growth, and change? Don't waste your life living only for yourself. Inspire others. Help others. Show others what's possible. Even learning English can be part of your legacy. Imagine teaching, inspiring, or connecting with people across the world because you chose to learn. The world needs more people who don't waste their lives. Be that person. Rise higher. Speak stronger. Live with purpose. You have one life, one chance, one story. Don't waste it. Choose discipline. Choose growth. Choose action. Every time you listen, every time you practice, every time you rise after falling, you are writing a story worth telling. And if this message touched your heart, if you believe in building a life of meaning while also improving your English, then stay with us.
Subscribe, share, and join this community of motivated learners. Together, we rise. Together, we grow. Don't waste your life. Make it count.